Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter. Hey guys, welcome back in my another video. Here I'm gonna show you how to repair corrupted pen drive. Like it's asking format the pen drive before use it. But I don't wanna format it because I have important data files in my pen drive. As you can see here, when I'm gonna open it, it's showing you need to format the disks in drive before you can use it. I don't wanna format, I have one solution for it. Close this tab and open Chrome browser. And here type find and mount. You will get this link in my video description box. So don't worry, you can easily download it from here. It is very light software, so just click on download. Okay, after it, download partition file whatever, just click on it. And it's about 2 MB only. After download it, you will get a setup file in your download folder. Just double click on it for install. It's very fast and it's very easy to access. Here click on next. Next. That's it. Okay, it's finished. Now it's going to launch. Okay, as you can see here, there are two devices. One is my hard drive, that is 500 GB. And 8 GB is my USB device or pen drive, memory card, whatever. So now I want to take the data from USB. So just select the USB drive and right click on mouse and click on scan. And here check on through the scan and click on scan. That's it. As you can see here, it's showing a partition in my pen drive. Sometimes it can showing two partition in pen drive or memory card. Okay, my scan is complete, so here just close it. If you're showing true partition, then you have to try on both of them. Just right click on mouse and click on mount as, and here select any letter like A, B, C, D, anyone. Click on OK. Just wait for it. Okay, at this I got all my data in my USB drive. So now I can make a backup of them. Just you need to copy them and paste it in your hard drive. So now I'm gonna copy them. And here paste it anywhere. Now go to again mount software and right click on mouse on your partition and unmount it. Now come to your USB drive. And now you can format it because now you have backup in your hard drive. So just click on format it. After format it, my USB is work fine. If this method do not work for you, input your USB 3 or 5 times in same USB port. Hopefully your problem will be fixed. To get more of this type of videos, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. If you have any problem, you can comment in this video. I will try to make a tutorial on your topic. Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.